Hello, TT Scale Model Railroad fans and fans of the Ideal Scale. This is my latest project that I purchased off eBay. It is a HE Products 060 switcher kit. While my HE Products specific kit is currently boxed up pending a recent move, this is my current project to work on. Here's the bag of parts. And yes, I do like to work on my workstation with a towel here. That way if I drop parts, they're not so prone to rolling away or going missing. Now, let's see how well this engine works. Go ahead and hook up one lead to the motor, the other to the chassis. Oop. So it should stay upright. I just have to. There we go. Here's my trusty power pack on my desk. Turn on. Yay, it has a heartbeat. Well, yeah, I can use a little oiling. See, make sure it works the other direction. Yep. This project here will be a pretty straightforward one. Just finish up the valve gear and paint and find a tender for it. Yep. Have a good day.